bafo, awuke usibekezelele wena. Have patience with yourself. Have patience with yourself. Work on yourself. While you work on yourself, make sure that you do that for you, not for anybody else. While working on yourself, make sure that you are working on yourself for you. Because happiness begins with you. Injabulo iqala ngawe, kufuneka ibe ngaphakathi kuwe. So therefore, awuzikhande bafo. Uzikhandele wena. Ungazikhandeli omunye umuntu. Kunamadoda namhlanje are under pressure empilweni because they are not doing things for themselves but for someone out there. Baze bafake neimpilo zabo in danger because benzela abantu. Kukangakho wenzela abantu izinto wena ungazenzeli. Kukangakho please abantu lapha wena ungaziplease. Kukangakho uthi take care of abantu wena you don't take care of yourself. Kukangakho uthanda lapha kodwa ungazithandi wena. Kukangakho unendaba lapha ngaphandle kodwa ungabi nandaba nawe. When are you going to make life about you? Do you have any individual happiness that is about you, that comes from yourself as a person, as a man? Wagcina nini ukuphila uphilele wena? Wagcina nini ukujabula ujabuliswe nguwe, ujabulele wena nenjabulo ephuma kuwe? Ayi ngoba wenze something, when someone is happy there, then you get happiness from them. Do you even have individual happiness? Awukusebenze ngawe uzikhandele wena, ukuzosijabulisa wena. Mawunenkinga yotshwala ukuhlale nawe phansi uthi yazi nginenkinga yotshwala uyivume bese lapho uyabuka ukuthi ungazilungisa kanjani. Be patient with yourself. One thing for sure, no one is patient with you. You are a man. Nobody cares about a man. No one feels nothing for you. You know very well that your life is worth nothing. No one hypes your life up. You are taken as an ordinary human being. Therefore, awuke uzicabangele.